Imagine waking up in a world where your body can heal itself overnight, where your mind can travel across galaxies without leaving your room, and where your commute involves flying over cities instead of driving through traffic. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up, because this dream is closer to reality than you think. First, let's talk about neural lace technology. Picture this: a tiny web of advanced circuits implanted into your brain, seamlessly connecting your thoughts to machines. It's not just science fiction anymore. Researchers are already testing prototypes that could enhance memory, improve cognition, and even let you control devices just by thinking about them. Forget keyboards and touchscreens. This is technology literally at your fingertips, or should I say, your brain tips. Imagine sharing memories with someone as easily as sending a text. Neural lace isn't just about convenience. It's a doorway to redefining human interaction, learning, and even creativity. Next up, we've got terraforming drones. Climate change may have pushed Earth to the brink, but what if I told you we could reverse some of the damage? These drones aren't your average flying cameras. They're designed to plant trees, rebuild coral reefs, and even create entire ecosystems from scratch. Companies are already deploying them in degraded lands, bringing forests back to life in weeks instead of decades. Now, imagine using this technology on Mars. Terraforming drones could be our first step in transforming barren alien landscapes into habitable worlds. Sound crazy? So did space travel a century ago. And speaking of the future, let's take a ride in flying cars. Sure, they've been promised for decades, but this time, we're actually making progress. Companies like Joby Aviation and others are racing to perfect vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, clean, quiet, and designed to revolutionize urban transportation. Flying cars aren't just about cutting travel time. They could reshape cities entirely, reducing traffic and freeing up space for parks and green areas. Your daily commute might one day look like something out of a sci-fi blockbuster. These technologies may seem like glimpses of a distant future, but they're being developed right now. Neural lace, terraforming drones, and flying cars are just the beginning. The question is, are you ready for a world where the impossible becomes possible? The future isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's going to be extraordinary.